Here's a tutorial on how to make money on Instagram for beginners, where you can earn $15 again and again and again and again. Plus, with this method, you won't have to create any pieces of content for Instagram for this particular method to work. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So there are a ton of different ways for you to start making money on Instagram, especially if you are a beginner. But one of the best ways, in my opinion, to get started online is to do what we call affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. So if somebody is selling a $200 product and he's offering a 50% commission on every sale, then you would make $100 per sale. It's really as simple as that. And this is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video: how to make money on Instagram for beginners using affiliate marketing. And as I've said, you won't have to create any pieces of content on Instagram for this particular method to work for you. So the first thing I want you to do is to check this particular website here called Chewy.com. So maybe you've heard about this particular website. It's a website that sells a lot of pet related products. So they actually started selling like dog related products at first, if I'm not mistaken. And then they've expanded to selling other pets product as well, because they've been doing very, very well. As you can see, they sell different kinds of products such as dog food, cat food, dog toys, dog treats, cat furniture, dog beds. So all kinds of crazy products that you can think of for pets. They most probably have it on their website, and they work with a lot of really well-known brands as well. As you can see, those are some of the products that they are selling on their website. And if we check out some of the stats around this particular website, you see that they get close to, if I'm not mistaken, 50 million. Close to 50 million monthly visit, which is crazy. Like 50 million people visit this website every single month. So they basically make a lot of money from this particular website selling different pet related product. And the thing with Chewy.com is that they have an affiliate program that you can join and start making money from as an affiliate. So you can sign up for the affiliate program, where you have to fill out a few forms like your name, your username, email address. You have to agree to certain terms, etc. And then once you've signed up to their affiliate program, you can start earning commission promoting Chewy.com products. And one of the things that is really great with their affiliate program is that you would earn $15 every single time you refer a customer to this particular website. But what's really, really amazing is that whatever product that they buy, you still get $15. So every time you refer a new customer to the website, whether they buy a $1 product or a $100 product, you will still earn $15 every single time. So for example, if we look at some of their products that they have, let's say we open up this one here, dog treats, and we go to we go and have a look at some of the products that they are selling. You see that they are selling products that cost $3, $11, $10, $15, $4, $7.50. So they have all kind of prices here that they're selling products from. And if we scroll down, you'll see that let's say this particular product here, okay, this one is $2.70. So even if you get one sale for this single product here that only costs $2.70, you will still earn $15 per commission. So that's what really makes this affiliate program pretty good and also an interesting one to join, because you would earn $15 whatever products that they sign up for. And a lot of those products, as you can see, actually cost less than $15. So you would earn a nice commission every time you refer somebody, a new customer, to this particular website. So how will you go about promoting Chewy.com products and start earning $15 again and again and again, right? So basically what you're going to do is we're going to use Instagram, obviously, because this is literally the title of this video. And what we're going to do precisely is to do Instagram theme pages. Now, if you've never heard of Instagram theme pages, they are basically those pages where you create content in your niche from other people's pages. So for example, if you have like an Instagram theme page about dogs, you would post viral content about dogs, content that has been posted by other people. Obviously, every time you do this, you need to give credit to the original poster if you don't want to get into trouble. But basically what you're doing is just creating viral content from other people. And what's going to happen is that people who have an interest in your particular niche will start following you because they see your page as a very good page that knows how to create viral content. And this is a really great way of building free traffic very quickly, because you're not creating any type of content, you're not creating any pieces of content, you're just creating content from all over the place. Just to show you some examples of theme pages that have worked really well, just to show you that this really works. If you check out this particular page here, Cats of Week, they have 1 million followers, and all they do is they just curate content around cats. As you can see, viral pieces of content just around cats, and none of those content are really their content. They're just creating those content from other pages. As you can see, sometimes maybe this one is their own content. Let's just see if I can find one where they're giving there you go. They've created this piece of content from another person's page, and they've given credit to that person in their bio. And this is exactly what you want to do as well. Here's another one here, credit to this person. This is his video. Let's open this one. They've given credit to this particular page, which is from another country. So as you can see, this is something that they've done a lot, and this is exactly what you want to do as well. Here's another one here. So you want to create viral content and give credit to the original poster. In some cases, you might even have to message them and ask them permission. Most of the time, they will be totally fine because you're providing them with free promotion. Here's another example, Nurses Proud. This is also an Instagram theme page around nurses. There's a lot of people that are very passionate about their job, and nurses are one of them. Teachers, doctors, engineers, and so on. So for example, this page have created a ton of content just around the nurse niche, themes and memes and all of that. And they've built up this page to over 500,000 followers. So people who are following those kind of pages are obviously people that have an interest in those kind of pages. So this is exactly what you want to do as well. You want to create a theme page around dogs, and then you want to send that traffic to Chewy.com, where you will earn commission for every sale that you make. So the kind of page that you want to replicate is this particular page here, dogs.lovers. As you can see, they've got a ton of followers, and this is exactly what they do as well. They create viral pieces of content in the dog niche by giving credit to the original poster as usual. And as they do this, they've built this page to millions of followers, and they have their links here where they are directing that traffic to buy products from them. And this is exactly what you want to do as well. So to get started with this, what you want to do is you want to, as I've said, you want to go and find viral content in your niche. For example, in the dog niche, what you can do, you can go to a page like this one, Dog Lovers, and you can click on this button here, and it's going to show you related pages to your niche. So Instadog is another one, Dogs of Instagram is another one. There's another one here called Dogs. There's a ton of different pages that will show up that are related to your niche, and this is how you're going to find other pages where you can find viral content from. Another way to find viral content is to simply go to the search bar and type in like hashtag and then your keyword. For example, this one is dog, and you will see those are other keywords in your niche that you can go and find viral content from. So hashtag dog, hashtag dogs of Instagram, hashtag dog lover, hashtag dogs, hashtag dog life, dog lovers, dog of the day. So you can go through each of those different hashtags and find viral content in those particular keywords. And once you found those viral content, repost them on your page. Obviously, give credit to the original poster. If you can, maybe make a huge list of all those pages that you can get viral content from, and then message them and ask them for permission just to be on the safe side. So really, this is how you would go about building a theme page similar to this one. Once you've built a theme page and you've started posting a ton of content and you've started getting a few followers and you're starting to see some traction on your page, you're starting to see some traffic going up, then you can now start adding your affiliate link to Chewy.com, where you will earn $15 commission every time somebody goes to Chewy.com and buys something off of your affiliate link. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. This was a very straight to the point video on how to make money on Instagram for beginners. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.